Today we're going to be studying mathematics.
And emerges from the second mirror.
These words sound
Be your teacher for today. Hello students, you are welcome to this class. Our topic today is area of plane shapes. My name still remains your friend David. Today we want to consider this topic, area of plane shapes. Under this, we'll be looking at area of a circle, area of triangle, area of rectangle, and area of square, and area of parallelogram. Okay, now let's start from area of a circle. During our last topic, I explained what circle is all about and the perimeter of a circle. So today we want to look at area of a circle. Let's start. This is a circle. In a circle, we have radius. Okay. Area equals to pi r squared. What does that mean? Pi is 22 all over 7 or 3.142. R is radius. Remember I told you that half of a circle is called diameter. So our diameter equals to 2r. Therefore, if you are given a question like given diameter and you want to find radius, what will you do? Your radius will be diameter over 2. So take note of this. We are going to make use of this formula in our example. Okay? Now, let's look at this example. Example. Find the area of a circular disc whose radius is 7 centimeters. How can we find this? Okay, let's solve this together. Find the area of a circular disc whose radius is 7 centimeters. Remember the formula, area equals to pi r squared, right? Area equals to 22 over 7. From the question, pi is not given to you, so you can just you must know that pi is constant, and pi could be 22 over 7 or 3.142. So don't get confused if you see a question like this and pi is not given to you. Times, what's our radius? 7. Remember square. So area will give us 22 all over 7 times 7. 7 square means 7 times 7. Okay, 7 we cancel 7. Area will be equals to 22 times 7. Okay, now let's multiply 22 by 7. 22, 7. 7 times 2, we have 14. 4 carry 1. 7 times 2, we have 14 plus 1. we have 15. So this area will give us 154 centimeter square. Remember your unit, centimeter square. Okay, now what in a situation whereby area is given to you and you don't know the value of radius, what will you do? Let's see example on that, how to find the radius of a circle. Find the radius of a circle if the area is 154 centimeters square. Take pi to be 22/7. Let's solve this together. Area equals to pi r square. From this question, area is 154 centimeters square. Put it here. 154 centimeters square. Pi is 22/7. R is not known. R square. Now, convert this to fraction, divide it by 1. Cross multiply, you have 154 times 7 equals to 22 times r square. Okay, what we are going to do here, we divide both sides by 22 because we have 22 here. But now, let's see how to multiply this together. Multiply this, 154 times 7. 7 times 4 will give us what? 48. 48. We have 8. Remain 4. 5 times 6 is 30. And 5 times 7 is 35. So 35 plus 4, we have 39. 39. We write 9, remain 3. 7 times 1 will give us 7. Plus 3, we have 10. Therefore, we have 1098 equals to 22 times r squared. Divide both sides by 22. Divide it by 22. This cancel this. Okay. R squared will give us 1098 divided by 22. R will give us square root of 1098 all over 22. Okay, R will give us, now if you look at this, we have 1098 divided by 22. Let's cut this. Let's use 2. 2 here, 1. 2 here, 1. That's 11. 2 here, 5. 2 here in 9. 2 times 4 will give us 8. So we have 4 here, remainder 1. That one that remains, put it at the front of this 8. That is 18. 2 in 18 will give us 9. Therefore, we can have this 549 divided by 11. Okay? 49.9. Okay? Finding the square root of this, you are going to have 7.06 centimeter, in which we can also approximate this. When we approximate it to a unit or whole number, we are going to have 7 centimeter. So this is how to find the area of a circle. Now let's go to area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. Now, looking at area of rectangle is a little bit different from area of circle. So you need to pay attention. This is a rectangle, we have length, we have breadth, we have breadth and length. Okay, now area equals to length times breadth. Okay, let me give you an example. Find the area of a rectangular table whose length is 6 centimeter and breadth is 3.2 centimeter. Remember, this also can be width. This also can be width. Okay, let's solve this together. Area equals to length times breadth. Area equals to, what's our length? 6 centimeter. What's our breadth? 3.2 centimeter. Okay, so let's multiply 3.2, 6. 6 times 2, we have 12. 2 carry 1. 6 times 3, we have 18. Plus 1, we have 19. Remember where your point is. A will give us 19.2 centimeter square. Always remember your unit. Okay, now what if the question turn around and they just want to like confuse us? What are we going to do? Let me give you an example. Okay, the area of a rectangle is 224 centimeter square. If the breadth is 16 centimeter, find the length of this shape called rectangle. Okay, so area equals to length times breadth. Area is given as 224 centimeters square. Okay, while L is what we are looking for, breadth is 16 centimeter. Okay, you divide both sides by 16. Divide this by 16. 16 cancels 16. L will give us 224 centimeter square divided by 16 centimeter. Okay, centimeter will cancel. It will remain 1 centimeter. Okay, L will give you 224 all over 16. Okay, L, let's cut. 2 here, we have 8. 2 here, 1. 2 here, 1. 2 here, 2. 1, 1, 2 all over 8. 2 here, 4. 2 in 11, that is 2 times 5, 10. Remainder 1. That one that remains, put it at the front of these 2. We have 12. 2 in 12, we have 6. So L will give us 56 all over 4. You can still cut. 2 in 4, 2. 2 in 5, 2 times 2, 4. So it will give us 2. Remainder 1. That one that remains, put it at the front of this 6. We have 16. 2 in 16, we have 8. So L will give us 28 all over 2. 2 in 2, 1. 2 in 2, 1. And 2 in 8, 4. So L will give us 14 centimeter. I believe you get this right. Okay, now let's go to area of square. Area of square. How can we find the area of square? That's very simple. When I give you example now, you know that it's very simple. We want to look at area of square. Remember, square, L, 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 L. In square, these 4 sides are equal. It's just like you have a cube of sugar. It looks like square. Each size are equal, right? Okay. Now, how can we find area of square? Area equals to L squared. That is L times L. That is the meaning of L squared. So let's see example. Example. Find the area of a square of length 3.5 centimeter. Okay, let's solve this together. Now here our area is L squared. You can draw it 3.5 centimeter. Okay, A equals to 3.5 centimeter times 3.5 centimeter. Okay, area equals to, let's do some calculation here, 3.5 times 5 times 5 will give us 25. We write 5, remain 2. 5 times 3 is going to give us 15. 15 plus 2 will give us 17. Okay, 3 times 5 will give us 15. We have 5, remain 1. 3 times 3 will give us 9. Plus 1, we have 10. So let's add 5. 7 plus 5 will give us 12. Okay, we have 2, remain 1. 1 plus 0, 1 plus 1, 2. Then you bring down the 1. So we have to look for where this point will be here. So what are we going to do? Let's count the number, the digit after point. We have 1, 2. So we have 1, 2. Then the point will be here. So area will give us 12.25 centimeter square. I believe this is clear and you get it very, very well. So let's go to the last part, which is area of triangle. Area of triangle. We have different types of triangle. We have isosceles triangle, we have right angle triangle, and many more. But I just want to explain to you how to find the area of right angle triangle, and I will still show you more on other types of triangle. Let's look at this right angle triangle. This side is called hypotenuse, this is adjacent, and this is opposite. Okay, this also can be called base, and this can be called height. Okay, now area will give us half base times height. Okay, now let's look at this example. You have 12 centimeter, 6 centimeter. Okay, let's solve this together. Now this is base and this is height. Okay, area equals to half base times height. Okay, here, which is area, half, what's base? 12. What's height? 6 centimeter. So 2 here, 1, okay, 2 here, 6, 1 times 6 times 6, let me cut this, 1 times 6 times 6, 6 times 6 will give us 36 centimeter square. Okay, so this is the area of right angle triangle. I hope you got it right. Okay, now half base times height, half times times 12 times 6. You can also solve it in another form by saying A equals to half times 12 times 6. You still get the same answer. Multiply everything you have. 1 times 12 times 6 all over 2 will still give us 12 times 6. 12 times 6. 6 times 2 will give us 12. 2 remain 1. 6 times 1 will give us 6 plus 1, 7. Okay? We have 72 over 2. 2 here, 1. 2 is 7. 2 times 3, 7. Remain 1. 3. The remaining 1, put it at the front of these 2. You are going to have 12. How many 2 can we get in 12? 6. So area will give you 36 centimeter square. Can you see what we get here? It's still the same. Okay? This is so great. And I'm so happy and so eager. And I also believe that you are so happy to be in this class and to be part of this module 2. Before we round up this class, I'm going to give you homework that will get you prepared for your exam, because at the end of this module, examination is waiting for you, and I will be so happy if I see you as my student coming out with flying color. And remember, the exam is just online at the comfort of your house. Just 50 objectives, and it's going to be fun. Okay, so far so good. We've done angles in polygon. Not only that, factors and multiples. Not only that, we've done open sentences. We've done simultaneous equation. We've done plane shapes, and also transaction in home and offices. And this is the last topic for this module, area of plane shapes. I hope you enjoy yourself and you have learned something great from this module. Okay, before we round up for this module, I'm going to give you homework so that will prepare you for the third module. And I'll be so happy to see you subscribe for the third module. Thank you very much. Okay guys, this is homework, the last homework for this module. Find the areas of these shapes, this and this. If the area of a rectangular board is 202 centimeters square, find the length if the breadth is 10 centimeters. Number 3, find the area of a square whose length is 22.5 centimeters. That is great. I'll be happy to see you in the next module. Thank you very much. See you. Au revoir.